Hey, welcome to my world. Well, in the last episode, we got that little bonus from the deer, a little happenstance with the wolf. But, excuse me, we're going to have to go fishing. Not because we are just, completely out of calories, but, you got to stay ahead of it. That's for sure. Worst thing that can happen is something happen and you get your calories get away from you. You get in a situation where you can't find any more. The next thing you know, you're starving to death. Yeah, this is kind of bad too, because sometimes the wolf actually comes over here. Whoop, not that way. I don't think there's any over here. I think that was it. Nope, one more. Well, a lot of times it seems almost like they don't spawn sometimes until you go in the fishing hut. Or they're over on the other side and that's it. But I had better kind of take a peek around here a little bit before I get too carried away. They are sneaky. They are. Just the other day I did this and one ran at me. Now how he didn't see me as I was further out, I don't know, but well, I just ruined one, so excellent. And let me get another one. I'd love to see another line. That would make my day. That would really make my day. But the piece of wood is nice. Let's see. See, that's a whole nother world right there. Warming up while you're breaking the ice. Is that even possible? Not having to start a fire to fish? Now the only thing here is, you know.
Getting weak.
How long the fishing tackle will last.
Something's gotta go.
Just now getting cold. Of course, I have fish on me now, and they probably just smelled it. I could cook this over there. What to do? Because I could still fish. I'm still good. I think so, right? It's just a little quick run. It's probably no more hazardous at another time, you know? 70% chance, really? That's it? Alright. Don't fail us. the good thing is of course, unless it just gets crazy and freezes me really hard. Of course, this is usually the warmer part of the evening, so this is the opportune time to stay before, unless it just goes nasty quick. You can't ever know. At night in a blizzard's not good, but at least know which direction we're going. So we'll probably get there one way or another. Let's go ahead and add that. Yeah, there we go. We got to see what's going to happen. I mean, it's quite possible, you know, that we could actually... Oh, it broke? Oh, you're kidding me. Alright, well, we need to make water anyway. And cook the fish. It did break. I didn't hear it break, but that's terrible. But I gotta wait for the gut to cure. I mean, it may be cured over there at Trapper's by now. I'd have to run back to the trailer. Which I could do. That's not out of the question. That's really the only way I'm going to make a bow at this point, right? Now I got lamp oil. That's good. So, make some water and hope that it's not going to, like, you know, just get nasty all of a sudden. I'd say it's the best use of time, considering. $12. Yeah, might as well. That should leave me a little piece too. I mean, we'll do what we can with this fire. There's no use to let it go to waste at all. We got to run out at night either way. Just hope the bad weather doesn't start. But so far, so we'll push it for a minute. We've got plenty of stuff here to cook. Like I said, this oh, there we go. This is just one of those hope and pray things, you know? If the wolves migrated down here, then I'm probably going to be in trouble. And, you know, I don't even know whether I should bring my flare gun. How often is this a headwind? Every time? Yeah, every time. Well, that was a little adventure. Converted a fire striker and some wood into food. Oh, look at that. Well, I don't have any. I can read. Nope. It's one of those nights.
I think I need to lay down.
One of those nights where you can do it. Now I'll be too tired after this. Yes. Nice. I've already sharpened everything. I've already fixed all my clothing, so, you know, that's not necessary to do. So there you have it. We're at midday. It should get nice though. I don't know. But yeah, we fixed all our clothes up. You know. And we're at 16 and 7. No windproof bonus at all. So, yep. And 10 days. 8 days. And there you go. So we're gonna hang out, I guess, until this ends, and then we'll probably do a late afternoon run to somewhere. We still have food in our stomach. That's not bad. So, all right, we'll do it here because you know, I'm not running out on that. Catch y'all back here soon. Thanks for watching.